Alright guys, just pulled up to the job on the hit list today. Get rid of this pine tree, chip the brush, put the wood beside the road, and the grapple truck will come and pick this up. I gotta grind the stump also. I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference if you're in the tree business. Get a skid steer. It don't matter how bad a shape it is, just get one that works. You know what I'm saying? This one needs a tune-up real bad, but man, it works. I made a mistake. I got too large of a grapple for this machine. When I go to pick up the logs and shove it in the back of the truck, it's too wide. That's 72 inches, and that truck's like 60 inches. So I made a mistake. I got that grapple too wide for that truck. All right, guys, we got that piled out here by the road, and later on today or tomorrow, the grapple truck will come by and snag this, pick this up, and it makes it so much easier on us. So now I'm fixing to, we got this all cleaned up, and now I'm fixing to grind the stump. starting out in the stump grinding business, here's a tip for you. If you start seeing dirt underneath the stump as you're grinding, you're getting close to having it dug out. You start seeing a root here and you see dirt under this section. So I'm going to take the skid steer and push this out of the way, and then I can go around the edges of it and basically tiller it up, throw the dirt back in the hole, and call this one done on this little job. Now I'll take the stump grinder and I'll tiller up around it. I'm going to take this skid steer one more time, grab this mulch, and I'm going to see about just putting it at the edge of the woods and spreading it out for them. And that's it. That's it on this little job. Alright guys, so we'll take this and rake this on out and call this done on this little job. So hey, if you like the channel, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.